Today we're changing the brake discs and pads on my 2016 Ford Fiesta ST.
First step is to loosen your lug nuts and safely jack up the car. Make sure to chock the wheels. Remove your wheel and spray everything down with PB Blaster because it's all probably rusted together. Use a 13mm wrench to remove the caliper pin bolts. After that, use the same wrench to remove the caliper bolts. After unbolting the caliper, gently tap it off of the brake disc.
Ooh, shiny. Very shiny.
Now it's time to remove the caliper pins. First, remove the rubber boots.
Caliper pin doesn't want to come out. Just get a big monkey wrench, put it on there, somewhat tight. Just hit it with a hammer. Use brake clean and a wire brush to remove as much rust as you can. Now you have to push the caliper piston back into the caliper. A caliper press makes this a very easy job. You can rent one from the local auto parts store. Your rotor is likely rusted on, which means it's hammer time. After some heat and hammering, it'll come off eventually.
Perfectly foul disc.
Clean the rust off your hub with some brake clean and a wire brush. Clean the rust off your caliper pins and reinstall the rubber seal. Add some caliper grease and install them into the caliper. Make sure the rubber seal is fully seated. Now time to put it all back together. Add some caliper grease to the back of your pads and to the tabs on the side. Install the pads into the caliper. Make sure the metal side is on the outside and the pad material is on the inside. It will be a tight fit, but it should slide over the brake disc. Now it's time to bolt everything back up. Your caliper bracket bolt torque is 19 foot-pounds, while the caliper bolt torque is 26 foot-pounds. Make sure to double check all your work. You just fixed your brakes. Great job. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and download our app for the best DIY and build threads. Thanks for watching.